I am explaining the 8th chapter, Reach for the Top. First part of this is about Santosh Yadav. Yes, she is the only one woman you must have heard who has scaled Mount Everest twice. She was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing. But she was not like that. Yes, then total description is given. She was born in a small village in Haryana. She was the sixth child in a family with five sons. Means she had five brothers. Though her name stood for contentment, Santosh means satisfaction, but she was never satisfied with her place in a traditional way of life. She studied in her village school up to the age of 16 only. Then her parents wanted her to get married, as it was usual at that time, but she firmly said no for that proposal. She left her house and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. She decided to meet her educational expenses by working herself, but later on her parents agreed to bear the expenses because it was tough for her to afford. She wanted to do more and more. She went to Jaipur for higher education, where she decided by chance to try her luck in mountaineering. She joined a course at Uttarkash's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She never looked back after that because she got encouragement at that time again and again. Her strong will, physical endurance, and great mental toughness every time made her possible to conquer the Mount Everest at the age of just 20. Within 12 months, she conquered it for the second time. In recognition of her achievements, she was bestowed upon one of the top most honors, the Padam Shri by the Government of India. One special point is discussed that she was very caring. She was a real humane because she had got or she made her niche herself. She was earlier to great passionate and environmentalist, and till now she has been. Yes, she collected once and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. It tells how caring, how earth loving she is. Yes, now questions. Second part important. First question. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? She wished to climb mountains when she watched villagers there who were going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. It was not very clear, but she started getting fascination because she was watching all this from her room. She found nobody except a few mountaineers at that time. Later, she saved money and enrolled a special course at Uttarkash's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Then she began climbing mountains every year. Now, second question. What incidents during the Everest expedition show Santosh concern for her teammates? Santosh provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole in 1992 Everest mission. She also saved one person named Mohan Singh who would have lost his life if she had not shared her oxygen with him. So these are special incidents discussed in the chapter. Now, third question. What shows her concern for the environment? She was really concerned for the environment. She collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. It is a great achievement, but with this achievement, she proves herself a special caring person for her earth. Now, fourth, how does she describe her feelings at the summit of the Everest? She said that it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. But she was very happy at that time and proudly unfurled the Indian tricolor. It tells that she was very, very proud when she reached at the summit of the Everest. She couldn't describe properly, but she was really wordless at that time. Now, fifth question. Santosh Yadav got into the record books both times she scaled Mount Everest. What were the reasons for this? His reasons are very simple. She is the youngest woman who scaled the Everest, and she is the only woman who climbed the Mount Everest twice. Then she was known for her mental toughness and physical strength. Now, second part of this eighth chapter is Maria Sharapova. Yes, it is name of special Russian girl who reached the top position of women's tennis on August 22, 2005 when she was just 18. You all have heard the special name. She was a teenager when she scaled this position. It happened in almost no time. She was poor, then detail is given. She was born in Siberia, that is in Russia. Her father sent her to the United States for training at the age of 9. She had to stay alone without her mother because she couldn't be with her due to the visa problems. Separation from her mother was a great surprise, or it was a great sacrifice for a 9-year-old girl because she had never lived alone before this. But she was fixed to achieve her goal at any cost. Her father was every time with her to support. She was very lonely as she had to follow a very strict timetable. She used to go to bed at 8 pm, but the other senior players used to make fun of her. She used to be waken up at 11 pm and she was ordered to clean the room by her seniors. She did everything because she was fixed. She was very, very strong in her goal. Then she knew that she wanted that only, and it was her strong determination that got her the success. That's why she could put herself on the top of the world. She spent her prime time in the USA, but every time she used to be proud of being Russian. She is a teenage sensation. Yes, why she is sensation? Because she has done everything whatever she wanted. She has special interest too because she takes quite great interest in fashion, singing, then dancing. She loves reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns also is shown, and every time she used to love all these simple things and activities. Being number one in the world is the dream that keeps her going. One last point is also given that money is a great motivation. She wanted money, and tennis is a business and a sport. But most important, again, one and same thing, that this is the dream what she is following. Yes, now questions we can do from our sides, at least 2 3. First one, what are Maria's interests and hobbies? Being one special teenage sensation in tennis, she has many nice hobbies and interests. She likes fashion, singing, dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. She is fond of sophisticated evening gowns too. She loves pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Next, we can do what is her mantra of success? Why she is at the top of women's tennis? Yes, it's simple. It is her mental toughness determination, great surprise that helped her to pursue her dreams. These are the real keys of her getting the ladies' singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. She took just 4 years as a professional to reach this place in women's tennis. She had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was sent to the USA for training, but her father was every time with her. However, she had to bear a great separation from her mother because it was her dream. That's why she keeps on going to get it.